Hello friends, привет, друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой канал Как я изучаю русский язык. Hello friends, welcome to my channel How I Learn Russian Language. Now we will continue with the verbs of motion in accusative case. Earlier we have seen three verbs itti, khadit and paiti. That is to indicate going to any place on foot. One way movement is indicated by itti and multiple ways movement is indicated by khadit. That is also on foot. And paiti is a future tense of itti and khadit and it's a perfective aspect which is used to indicate the future tense of itti and khadit. Now we will continue with verbs of motion in accusative case. Here we are seeing three more verbs. Now we will see yekhat, yezdit and payekhat. Yekhat, yezdit and payekhat. Going by vehicle is indicated by yekhat, yezdit and payekhat. Yekhat is the verb which is used for indicating to drive to some place only in one direction. Yekhas is the verb which is used to indicate the traveling. Yekhas is the verb which is used to indicate the traveling, to drive in one direction. Whereas yezdit is to indicate the driving from one place to another place. Okay, and return from going to that place and coming back. That is indicated by yezdit, to drive to some place, not by the foot. So if you go on foot, word is khadit, and here yekhat, itti. If you go on foot in one direction, one time movement. And payekhat is the perfective aspect of yekhat and yezdit, which is used for indicating the future tense when we will drive to some place. That payekhat is used. So these three verbs are there, yekhat, yezdit and payekhat. Now this is the past tense of this yekhal, yezdil and payekhal. Yekhal, yezdil, payekhal, yekhal, yekhala, yekhali, yezdil, yezdila, yezdili, payekhal, payekhala, payekhali. First we will see the conjugation of three verbs, yekhat, yezdit and payekhat, and then we will see the examples, present tense and future tense. We will study through examples only. So we will go ahead with first verb, that is yekhat. Now yekhat conjugation is ya yedu, ti yedesh, on ana yedet, mu yedem, vu yedete, ani yedut. Yekhat, ya yedu, ti yedesh, on ana yedet, mu yedem, vu yedete, ani yedut. Similarly, yezdit, two-way driving or driving at several places, that is yezdit. Ya yezju, ti yezdish, on yezdit, mui yezdim, vi yezdite, ani yezdiat. Ya yezju, yezdit, conjugation of yezdit. Ya yezju, ti yezdish, on yezdit, mui yezdim, vi yezdite, ani yezdiat. Ani yezdiat. These two verbs, yekhat and yezdit, they are for indicating the present tense. Now I am driving to some place. Ya yedu wa Moscow, ya yedu wa Direvnu, ya yedu wa Sankt Petersburg. So kuda vi yedete. That is the question which these verbs are answering. Now earlier also we have seen what the verbs of motion are all about. So verbs of motion use the accusative case. That is the first thing, our observation, it uses the accusative case. Then there are prepositions which are coming same as a prepositional case. Wo and na prepositions are used here in the verbs of motion, and verbs of motion also indicates whether are you walking or are you driving. So these three things are there which are very important about verbs of motion in every case. If you see itti, khadit and paiti, and here yekhat, yezdit and payekhat. So all these verbs of motion are having similar characteristics. So now we will continue with yekhat and yezdit. Yekhat and yezdit are the present tense, and payekhat is the perfective aspect of yekhat and yezdit, and that is used for indicating the future tense. It is not said that ya budu yekhat, ya payedu, ya payedu. Now payekhat conjugation will see ya payedu, ti payedesh, on payedet, mui payedem, vi payedete, ani payedut. This is the conjugation of payekhat, which is perfective aspect of yekhat and yezdit. We will see it is answering the question kuda vi yedete. Okay, kuda vi yedete. But we will continue with the examples now. Kuda vi yedete. This is the first question. Kuda vi yedete. Where are you driving? Ya yedu wa Moscow. I am driving to Moscow. Ya yedu wa Direvnu. I am going to native place. I am driving to native place. Ya yedu wa Sankt Petersburg. This is the example of present tense. Kuda vi yedete. Now second example, kuda vi payedete zavtra. Now this payekhat, this is the example of future tense. Kuda vi payedete zavtra. Zavtra, tomorrow, where will you drive tomorrow? Kuda vi payedete zavtra. Zavtra ya payeduna rabotu. Zavtra ya payeduna rabotu. Tomorrow I will drive to my work. Here The same prepositions are used as we have seen in itti khadit and in the prepositional case, that is va and na here, and the prepositions which are coming in the verbs of motion, they are also same as what we have used in the prepositional case. Kuda vi payedete जावत्रा. Where will you drive tomorrow? जावत्रा या पयेदू ना रबोतू. Na is same as what we have used in prepositional case, and rabota has taken the ending as rabotu because that is the feminine noun in accusative case is changing like that. So here the verbs of motion are taking accusative case. Okay, जावत्रा या पयेदू ना रबोतू. जावत्रा या पयेदू ना रिबालकू. जावत्रा या पयेदू ना रिबालकू. I will go fishing. Tomorrow I will drive to fishing. Kak vi jezdite na robotu. Kak vi jezdite na robotu. Now the yekat we have seen ya yedu. Okay. Now kak vi jezdite. Now we are seeing the example of jezdit. That is the driving to multiple locations or driving in one direction and coming back. Driving in two direction or both ways. Both ways driving is indicated by jezdit. Ya jezdu, ti jezdi, shon jezdit. So we'll see that example. Kak vi jezdite na robotu. How you drive to work. Okay. How you go to work. By which vehicle you go to work. How you drive to that place. How you go there. Okay. On which vehicle you are using. So here the answer is ya sigda jezdu tuda na metro. Sigda means sigda word is coming. It is the many times it is happening. So that is why the incident is happening many times. That is why it is written as a sigda is always. Ya sigda jezdu tuda na metro. Ya sigda jezdu tuda na metro. Ili na tramway. Ili na tramway. So this is how ya sigda jezdu, sigda, chasta. So these type of words are there where you cannot use yekat. There you have to use the jezdit. So kak vi jezdite na robotu. Ya sigda jezdu tuda na metro ili na tramway. So this way you have to answer the question jezdit. So this is the jezdit. We have seen the example of yekat, payekat, and now we have seen the example of jezdit. Now kuda ani yedut. Ani yedut na stadion. Kuda ani yedut. Where they are driving. Ani jedut na stadion. Okay, they are driving to stadium. Ani jedut na Vistavku. They are driving to the exhibition. And ani jedut wa Diriamnu. They are driving to the village. So these multiple possibilities are there where they are driving. Ani jedut na stadion. Ani jedut na Vistavku. Ani jedut wa Diriamnu. So these are the various answers to these questions. Kuda ani jedut. Kuda ti jedesh сейчас. Where are you driving now? At this moment, where are you driving? This is the present tense. Kuda ti jedesh сейчас. Сейчас я еду в городскую библиотеку. Городская библиотека has taken the form сейчас я еду в городскую библиотеку. City library, городская библиотека. Now we have seen the present tense. We will see the example of future tense. This payedut means it is a future tense example. Kuda ani payedut letam, where they will drive or where they will travel. Letam ani payedut va rodnuyu direvnu. Letam ani payedut va rodnuyu direvnu. That is their native place, Rodnuyu Direvnu. Here the accusative case is there. Rodnaya Direvnya has changed to Rodnuyu Direvnu. Kuda on jezdil pazavchira. Now this jezdil is a past tense. We have seen this jezdil, payekal, yekal. These are the past tense of yekat, jezdit and payekat. Yekal, jezdil, payekal. So here one example is there. Kuda on jezdil pazavchira. Pazavchira, the day before yesterday. Where he went the day before yesterday. Pazavchira on jezdil va museum. On jezdil na svadbu. He went to marriage party or he went to museum. Pazavchira on jezdil va muzeum. On jezdil na svadbu. Na svadbu means to marriage party. Svadba is a marriage. Na svadbu. Kuda vi khatite payekat. Here the example of future tense is coming. Kuda vi khatite payekat. Where you want to travel. Where you want to go. Okay, ya khachu payekat na vistavku. Kuda studenti payedut завтра. Завтра они пойдут на практику. Where the students will drive tomorrow. Завтра они пойдут на практику. Когда вы поедете в Мумбай? Через пару дней я поеду в Мумбай. Через пару дней я поеду в Мумбай. Okay, after 2 days I will travel to Mumbai. Когда вы поедете в город? Когда вы поедете в город? Утром я поеду в город. Now we will continue with some more examples. Каждое Рождество они ездят на гастроли. Every Christmas they go on tour. Каждый день они ездят на рыбалку. Every day they drive to fishing. Okay. Каждый день они ездят на рыбалку. Они ездят по неправильной стороне дороги. Он всегда ездит медленно. He always drives slowly. Он всегда ездит медленно. Иногда мы ездим в центр города. Он всегда ездит медленно. So these are the examples of ездит. В Америке мы ездим по правой стороне. wa Amerike moi yazdim pe pravai sarone. In America we drive on right side. Okay. Sigda razom istiat kasdiden kasde rojdesla. So when these repeated actions are there, that time you have to use the yezdit. Okay. And when single time indication is there, you have to see yakat, si chas ya yedu. Okay, si chas ya yedu, kasdiden ya yezju, kasdiden ya yezju, ya chasta yezdu, razo misyas ya yezdu. That time you cannot say ya yedu, you have to say yezju. Okay, that is because the repeated movement is there, repeatedly you are driving to that place. व इस्पानियो muy ezdim da बोलना चाहता. Quite frequently we drive to Spain. Hispania is a Spain country. Hispaniu व Hispaniu is the accusative case. व Hispaniu to Spain we quite often we drive to Spain. So व Hispaniu muy ezdim da बोलना चाहता. Da बोलना चाहता means quite often. Tipier ya paidu व Americu adien. I will alone go to America. Văd păcemu ya paidu să tăboi. That is why I will go with you. Moi păiedem व circ. We will drive to the circus. We will go to the circus by vehicle. So this is going by vehicle is indicated by yakhat, yezdit and payakhat. So this is all about these verbs of motion in accusative case, that is going by vehicle or to drive to some place. These are the examples we have covered. So this much is okay for understanding the verbs of motion yakhat, yezdit and payakhat. Keep watching. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.